Today we are going to discuss with the plants part, which already I have discussed with you. We discussed about the types of plants. It was not the category of plants, it was this according to the, we discussed the category of plants according to their size. The very small plants we are known as, we tell them saplings, whereas the medium size are known as plants, whereas the very big and strong plants are known as trees. These three things we learned last day, right? Now today we are going to learn how to get a new plant. These are some of the first steps. Before learning about the plants, we should know these things. How we will get a new plant? Can anyone tell me that how do we get a new plant? From where do we get a new plant? From where do we get new plants? Very good, Rudraditya, you have completed your drawing. Very good. How do we get a new plant? Very good, Ashmita. We get a new plant from seed. We get a new plant from seed. From seed, that means we need a seed first. So new plants, the source of new plant is always first a seed. Then after, what we will do after getting a seed? After getting a seed, we need some soil. Yes, we need some soil. Okay, Ashmita has sent me one worksheet for yesterday's work. Very good, Ashmita. Excellent. So that means you have gone through the offline video yesterday, and rest of the students, where are their work? Already Rudraditya has shown me in English class only, science work also. Now, after getting a seed, we will arrange for soil. Yes, a pot, or it can be on the ground also. So we need a pot and some soil. With the help of that soil, what we will do? We will sow the seed. That means if this is the seed, then we will sow the seed in a particular pot, right? So here is the soil, and we will dig some soil and we will make a hole over here. We will put our seed in this soil and we will cover it up. Now in the second step, can you tell me that what we have to do after sowing the seed? What we should do? We will regularly water the seed, and the seed needs what? Air as well as sunlight. Without sunlight, without proper air and without water, the seed cannot grow. So when we are sowing the seed, we have to give them, keep the pot in proper sunlight. Okay, the seed should get proper sunlight, as well as you have to put water. Okay, you have to put water, as well as there should be proper air. So with the help of sunlight, water and air, the seed will grow, and that means it will germinate. It's the another word to grow. Then after, small, what will come out? What will come out? Small sapling will come out from the seed. Now when the seed will grow, sapling will come out from the seed. Sapling will come out from the seed. And what will happen? Then after, this sapling will grow and it will become a plant, and this seedling will get lots of roots. Okay, so this sapling will grow in a small size plant. So this is the way how we get new plant. This is the way how we get new plants. So here I am present before you with the activity. You can see over here that there are some pictures on this paper, and what you have to do, you have to put the correct picture, you have to number them correctly. So the first one is seen that step 1, what he is doing, he is sowing the seed in the pot. Then after, he is sprinkling some water regularly. Okay, he is sprinkling water regularly. That means this is step number 2. The pot has been kept in proper sunlight, air, and it is being watered regularly. Then after, a small sapling came out. So this is the third step. And this one is the fourth step, where the plant has grown and now there is a small flower on the plant. That means these are the 4 steps in which a plant can grow properly. So now I hope you can understand that how we can grow a plant. First of all, plant comes out from seed. When a seed is sown in the soil, then what happens? We have to keep it in proper light, that is sunlight, air, and we have to regularly water them. Then after, a small sapling comes out from the seed. When the plant grows, the lower part becomes like this, that is called root, and the upper part grows like this, that is called plant. Now next day I am going to discuss with you about the plant parts. First of all, we will categorize the plant in 2 parts, and then after we will discuss about the different parts of plants. So this activity, which is not present in your book, it has been done with you. I have done with you because I want to make you understand the first part, that from where we are getting plant. আমরা প্লান্টসের ব্যাপারে পড়বো, কিন্তু প্লান্টসের ব্যাপারে তো তখন পড়বো যখন আমরা প্লান্টটা কোথা থেকে এলো আমরা সেটা জানবো। ওকে, সো দ্য ফার্স্ট মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং ইজ হাউ উই আর গেটিং প্লান্টস। প্লান্টসটা হয় কি করে, প্লান্টসটা আমরা পাই কি করে, আগে আমরা একদম সেটা জানবো। দেন আফটার how they are coming out, and then after we will learn about their different parts. Okay, so I conclude my class over here today, and all of you just try to draw this one in your copy. Next day I will check it out. Okay, thank you. Bye bye students.